Hello friends, today we will discuss the second case of the simple microscope and find the expression for m. Okay, see, this is the second case, simple microscope expression for m, and we consider the same case m equal to theta by theta naught, where m is the angular magnification of microscope and theta is the visual angle of the image and the theta naught is the visual angle of the object. That's why I have taken the O naught, theta naught O. In the previous I have done a little mistake that I have called it the naught, but this is not naught. This is the visual angle for object. That's why this is the O, small o. Okay, and this theta and theta naught are small angles. So in this case we take the object very nearer, close to the focus, first focus. Okay, see the construction of the ray diagram. This is the convex lens, biconvex lens. This is the principal axis. This is focus 1, this is focus 2, this is optical center, and in first case we have taken the object in between. See, this is the position of the object in between focus 1, first focus, and object. But in second case we take the object very close. See here, and if it passes parallel and divert, okay, divert the second focus, and second one passes straight from the optical center. You will see when we meet the ray backward, it will don't know where it will meet. It will meet at infinity. We don't know where it will meet, but it will meet at infinity. Okay, so we can show by the dotted arrow the image. In infinity it will form, so we will show A dash B dash. This is the image, but this is not forming here. This is infinity. Okay, for understanding I have made this image. Okay, this is the arrow you will show, and this is backward. Okay, so this is what? This is the focal length f, small f. Whenever you show the focal length, you take the small f, and remind it the triangle for the distinct vision. It will not given in the question or the figure. You will always have a figure in your mind. Okay, this is theta, this is A dash, B dash, wherever A, B object or image. ठीक है, तो देखिए आप लोग, ये एक फॉर्म कर रहा है ट्रायंगल. तो ये अगर आई तो यहाँ पर एक थीटा, इस टाइप का ट्रायंगल फॉर्म कर रहा है ना यहाँ पे, इस फॉर्म में. सी दिस इज थीटा, this is B, this is A, and from here to here the distance is focal length f, small f. Okay, use O. This is the triangle, this I have highlighted. Okay, so if we find magnification for the second case, angular magnification, so what will be the answer? If you consider theta and theta naught is a small angle, sorry, theta for angles for the object and angle for image are a small angle, then tan theta equal to AB by F perpendicular by base, AB by base perpendicular by base. This is F. Okay, and for object, this is for image, and this object AB to D, this is for object. This is for C, again C. This triangle is for object, and this is the result, and this triangle is for image at infinity, so we take this distinct vision. So M equal to D by F, if okay, this is the angular magnification in this case. I hope you have understand. Take the screenshot if you want of the video. I make my full effort to make you understand. Thank you, and if you like, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.